Hello everyone, my name is Ajay. Now we are going to discuss about the Capstone project of IJ1 course, which is Sports Scheduler. This is the GitHub repo of the Sports Scheduler. I have created a README for the project. So this is the README. Now I'll explain the project briefly. Coming to the tech stack, I use React for front-end, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. And for the backend, I use Node.js, Express, and the database is PostgreSQL. This is the project structure. Let us see the structure first. Here, server is a backend. In this, we have configuration, which is database, and middleware for authentication. And there are several routes. And server. This is the entry point of the backend. Coming to the front end, we have different components such as auth form, layout, and predicting route. Coming to the hooks, uh, this is for authentication, and these are the several pages in the website. That's all. Let's go through the code first. Coming to the server JS, this is the database connection here. At first I used the local database, which is pgadmin, and later on while deploying I used a neon database to store in cloud. Coming to the middleware, this is the authentication process. Coming to the routes, I used Bicrypt to hash the password of the email. There is a report.js where we can enter the queries here, SQL queries for the sessions and the sports of the second player. These are sessions, sport sessions, and these are the different types of sports. These are the queries in the database, such as create user, create sport, and session, and participants, etc. Coming to the server JS, I use Express, Course, Helmet, and Morgan. This is all about the back end of the project. Coming to the front end, there are several components such as auth form. This is for authentication form. User can sign up or sign in. This is the overall layout of the page. I use several hooks in the React, such as use auth. This is the use auth hook. I use state and use effect to load the dynamically load the sport sessions and all. See, there are sign up, sign in, sign out. and user. Coming to the libraries, this is the API to fetch the backend of. There are several routes such as get current user, get sports, create sport, update sport, get sessions, create session, delete session. I did all the CRUD operations. Coming to the pages, there are dashboard page. These are the several hooks I did. And sessions where we can create the sport sessions on several data. For date, I use the format date FNS. Coming to the report page, in this the user can see the the report session is available for only for admin. This is not shown for user. These shows the analytics of the sports and all. I import the recharts which is used for data analytics and data visualization. Coming to the sessions, this all the sessions has been shown for different players. Coming to the sports session, the admin can create a new sport, but user cannot create a player cannot create a new sport. These are the types of data types of the several users and sessions and all. Finally imported all of them here in the app.txx and then main.tsx. This is all about the front end of the sport scheduler. Let us go through it. In this application we can authenticate, authorize, and we can manage the sports and manage the sessions and the report for admin. And this is the end example for local database. While deploying local database will not work, so I use the online database such as Neon to create a PostgreSQL and get a connection string from the database and place it in the N file. I use TypeScript for front end for type free code. That's all. And the plugin I used is White. White is a React plugin, so I used in this project. It will be easy to deploy the project. I deployed the front end in Vercel, and coming to the back end I deployed this in a render. So deployed project is at first let us log in as a user. This is the dashboard. This is session. We can create a session. Let us select a sport of tennis. Max players will be 2. like this is optional. And when you use sports complex, let us see. This is the date format, and this is the time format. This is a team A, team B. Let us create a session. See, the session has been created. Coming to the dashboard, there is one session here, Friday morning session. We can delete the session as we created the session. If another player created, we cannot able to delete the session. See, here in my sessions, we can see the sessions I created and sessions I joined. This is the player view of the sport scheduler. Let us sign out and sign in as the admin first. You can sign in as admin and you can select here. I already signed up, so this is the administration session. See, admin can create a sport. Let us create a new sport, such as here. Based on YouTube here. Discussion. See, new sport has been created. Coming to the sessions, the admin can join any session. See, admin has been joined. Admin can delete any player session since he is the administrator of the sports. Here we can see the analytics such as data visualization of the sports. See, tennis has been created, so only one sport has been created, and this is sessions by date. This is the visualization. This is the extra feature I have added. See, admin can delete the session if he wants. Here you can see all the analytics here: total participant, total sports, upcoming sessions, and total sessions. Let us sign out and sign in as a user player. See my sessions. Here participants has been shown. This is admin has joined. See, this is all about sport scheduler web application of 501 Capstone project. I have used ChatGPT for giving the extra features such as report.js and data visualization parts. So that's all, and thank you.